this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix can't open Disney Plus. Let's get started. First, close Disney Plus. Close the app completely, remove it from recent apps and reopen it after 10 to 20 seconds. Next up, restart your device. This clears temporary system glitches. Likewise, check your internet connection. Disney Plus often won't open if the connection is unstable. Switch between Wi-Fi and server data. Give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Also, you can enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, update Disney Plus. An outdated version can break launch completely after updates. So if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the app. Launch settings. Go to General. Go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, check for your device software update. Head back, go to the option Software Update. All system versions can break app compatibility. If any updates are available, update it. Next up, if you are connected to any VPN or proxies, disable it. Disney Plus may refuse to load if it detects VPN, proxy, private DNS filtering, or ad blocking network tools. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus. Press and hold on the app, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.